No one sees this part. No applause. No likes. No comments. But this is where success is decided. Not in public wins, but in private thinking. When successful people are alone, their mindset works differently. Successful people don't ask, "What feels good right now?" They ask, "What helps future me?" When no one is watching, they delay comfort. They choose learning over scrolling, discipline over mood, progress over excuses. They know short-term pleasure steals long-term freedom. So they train their mind to think ahead, even when motivation disappears. In private, they don't blame the system, the economy, or luck. They ask one powerful question: what can I control? They review mistakes honestly. They correct patterns silently. They understand that ownership builds power. No victim mindset. No complaining loop. Just quiet accountability that compounds over time. Everyone has negative thoughts. The difference? Successful people don't let those thoughts lead. When fear speaks, they question it. When doubt appears, they challenge it. They train their inner voice to say, "Keep going. Get better. Do it anyway." They know self-talk becomes self-belief. And belief shapes behavior. When no one is watching, they sharpen skills. They read. They practice. They plan. They understand this truth. Consistency beats talent when talent is casual, while others wait for motivation. Successful people build routines that work without it. Success isn't loud at first. It's quiet. It happens alone. In choices no one praises. In habits no one notices. So ask yourself today, who are you becoming? When no one is watching? If this message helped you, subscribe to MindLiftU and start lifting your mind before the world sees the results.